So we are using this face cream. The name of this face cream is Fade Out Anti-Spot Cream. It contains SPF 18 in it. And again, this face cream contains a whole lot of good natural plant-based chemical. I'm not saying harsh chemicals, natural plant-based chemicals. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl again, HBM. So if you're new here, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and do not forget to like and share my video. Okay guys, so before I proceed into today's topic, I want to tell you that our online skincare starts tomorrow, Saturday, which is on the 6th of this month. Our class starts 8 p.m. on the dot on Saturday. So if you're interested in learning how to make your organic skincare product, you're also interested in learning how you can Promix rightly, enroll for that class. That class starts 8 p.m. Saturday on the 6th of this month. Yes, so and we are also having body enhancement class. That is if you want to learn how to make your butt and hips enlargement powder drink, you want to make effective oil, kindly send a WhatsApp message on the number you're seeing up on the screen right now to enroll for the class. Okay guys, so today I have a very powerful Promixing whitening face cream I want to teach you about. So today I am not doing practicals, but I am giving you a recipe. Yeah, I'm giving you an effective recipe. This recipe is what I use in Promixing face cream for one of my clients. She sent me a message showing how grateful and how very happy she was for that cream I promised for her. So I decided that, oh, I have so many of my subscribers that are in love with Promixing. So many of them actually, they sell skincare products, and most of them they Promix. Yeah, they sell Promixing. So I just feel like, okay, let me just give out this recipe to them. And even if you don't sell, you can also try this out for yourself. So for this recipe, the base that I will be recommending for this powerful whitening face cream, if you know you want to whiten up your face, you want to lighten up your face, you want to clear sunburn, you want to have this shiny glowy skin, you want to have this flawless beautiful skin, this Promixing recipe I want to give you will not spoil your skin, because I'm not using anyhow base cream for the base. So the base cream we will be using for our face cream is, so we are using this face cream. The name of this face cream is Fade Out Anti-Spot Cream. It contains SPF 18 in it. And again, this face cream contains a whole lot of good natural plant-based chemical. I'm not saying harsh chemicals, natural plant-based chemicals. Mind you, all skincare products are made with chemicals. Now we have plant-based chemicals and we have harsh chemicals. So the ingredients this cream contains are pure plant-based ingredients like precious ginseng. Like we all know, ginseng is very good for anti-aging. Ginseng is very good for circulation of blood flow. When we mean circulation of blood flow, most of the times when you're treating sunburn, yeah, you need this blood flow circulation on your face for some of your cream to actually work. That's why most of the time we recommend that you should scrub with a face scrub, so that on that process of massaging, you're also exercising the face at the same time. So this cream contains ginseng. This cream also contains vitamin E, which is a great antioxidant. This cream also contains pearls ginseng. This cream also contains pearl powder. This cream contains bear fruit, glucoside, natural moisturizing factor with oil. It contains licorice also. So this cream is highly packed with a whole lot of natural plant-based ingredients. And you can also use this cream on its own. Yeah, you can use this cream on its own. You can use this face cream on its own. This Fade Out Anti-Spot Cream, you can use it on its own, believe me. So we're going to be using this as one of my base, like this face cream. The friend that gave me this face cream the friend that gave me this face cream, she talked about this face cream, and I used it for like 3 days and I saw super result. Like you all know, I break out easily. I'm that spots face kind of person, and I saw results in 2 days just with this. Like I'm seeing results. This is really working on my face. Believe me, this fade out is really working. When I mean really working, it is working on my face. So that is why I am using this as my base. Then I have another cream I will be promixing with this fade out. The name of the cream is called, so this is Aneza Gold Beauty Cream. Yeah, Aneza Gold Beauty Cream. So this cream contains avocado, it contains aloe vera, it removes acne, it removes pimples, it removes dark circle, and this cream contains carnauba wax. Like this cream is not made with the normal e-wax we all know. This is how it is. So this is how this cream is. So it contains carnauba wax, it contains kojic dipalmitates. Yes, if you are a skincare formulator, you will really know that this cream is formulated with kojic dipalmitates because of the butter look like texture it has. It's actually look like a butter. It's actually look like a butter. Believe me, when you apply, it's look like, you know, shelly, a kind of, yeah, it looks like shelly, a kind of. So I will also be promixing with this Aneza Gold Beauty Cream. You can see this is how it is. Then this is how the fade outs look like. So this is how the fade outs look like. So that's how the fade outs look like. So right here for these 2 creams I have here, I'll be teaching you how you can promix these 2 cream and you get a superb result. You will promix this 2 cream and you will get, see, you will come back and thank me. That is just it. This is a real recipe I'm giving to you. This recipe made me money. This recipe made me money. Yeah, it's made me some dollars. Yes, I'm not bragging, I'm telling you the truth. So the serum I'll be using to boost these 2 face cream here, I'll be using my Nano Gold toning serum. So here's my Nano Gold toning serum. My Nano Gold toning serum, here is it. So this Nano Gold is not like that one they sell for 500 naira. So this Nano Gold serum, like you all know, I'm always making review on this Nano Gold serum. I like using this serum because of the anti-wrinkle property it contains. This serum is also an anti-stretch mark serum, and yeah, it's quite expensive. It's not like the usual Nano Gold half cast 500 naira that the Igbo boys does at their backyard. I'm not talking of that one. This is Nano Gold toning serum. We have the carrot on, but this one is just the toning serum here. So I'll be using this to promix all this. In case you want to promix, I'll be dropping the gram of each of those base cream you have to scoop out and mix for you to get a very good result. So here is 20 gram of my fade out cream. Yeah, this is 20 gram of my fade out cream. So if you want to promix this, let's say you want to promix this one and this one, so what you do is that this is the main base here. This has to be plenty than this, and it's not must you should use the 2. You can actually use 1, and if you want to use 1, I prefer you use this. I recommend you using only this because of the wax that this one was formulated with. This one was formulated with normal e-wax. This one was formulated with a butter wax. So scoop out the whole of this one into a small bowl, then scoop out a little. So for you to mix this and get a very good result, scoop out 2 spoons of this into a bowl. 2 spoons of this, 2 tablespoons. I think tablespoon is bigger than teaspoon. Yeah, 2 tablespoons of this into a bowl. Then scoop out half tablespoon. You know, I said scoop out 2 tablespoons of this. Scoop half tablespoon of this into the same bowl. Then after you've scooped out both of them into the bowl, This is your nano gold serum. Add 2 tablespoons of this into the mixture, stir it properly, turn it properly, pack it into a bottle, and you have your face cream. Apply this face cream morning and night, and come back after 7 days and give me results. Believe me, this actually works. Like, it works. Okay guys, so that is it for our super whitening face cream. So give out this face cream a trial and please get back to me. And if you need any of those products, kindly send me a WhatsApp message up on the screen for you to get any of those products. Yeah, if you need any of those products, kindly send me a WhatsApp message, then I will tell you where you can get, so as to make sure you buy the original one. If you buy the fake of this, is not going to work for you. So if you need this, kindly send a WhatsApp message up on the number you're seeing on the screen. So thank you so much for watching this video, and do not forget to share this video. Share it out to everybody that might need it. Share it out to your Facebook group, to every social media platform that will need this. So thank you so much, and do not forget to subscribe. Bye guys.